Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of NIKK at Night. Today's video is going to be like a little spider mouth type thing. So I did this look 2 years ago, but I did it on my eyes. This time I wanted to do it on my mouth and do like a cute smoky eye. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so my videos can get a little lengthy. So I already did my base, I did my contour, blush, everything. I put concealer on my eyelids, I have highlight in my inner corners and on my cheeks. I have everything done except for my eyes and of course my mouth, which is going to be the star of the show. So for today's video for eyes, I'm going to do a smoky eye and I'm going to go in with my Blushing Berries palette. You guys, this palette is so freaking bomb. I'm sad I broke this black because I dropped it. So sad. But this black is so dark and so smoky. I just love this palette. Plus it has like all the plums and berries to make, you know, that kind of bruised look. To start off, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Shack brush. This is the T12 blending brush and I'm going to go ahead and dive in to this color right here. Sorry, this color right here. And I'm going to put that all over my crease and really blow it out. These shades are super pigmented, so if you're using this palette, be a little careful. But you can use any palette, guys. Like, you don't have to use what I'm using. I usually use drugstore makeup, but I have this palette here. I, of course, got this from a BoxyCharm. You guys already know I'm not paying for no high-end products anymore. I love the color scheme of this palette, especially for this look. Look how easily that blended out on my eye. I'm gonna add a little bit more just because I want it to be super smoky around the eyes. And I'm going to blend out over here, like blow it out. So next I'm going to deepen it with this color right here. I'm going to take actually a smaller brush. For that shade, I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T81 brush. It's just a smaller blending brush. So I'm focusing that color inside of my crease, and then whatever's left over, I started to blend it a little upwards and then blow it out as well. Okay, now to finish off my eyelid, I'm going to go in with this black right here, and I'm going to take a Luxie 209 large shader brush. So this is like a flat, fluffy brush. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's really good to pack shadows on your lid. And I'm just going to start to tap that in. So I just patted the shadow on my eyelid, and then with the fluffy part of the brush, this part right here, I just shaded it into my crease. Alright, so now for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with this color right here and the black, but I'm going to start off with this shade. And again, I'm going in with that smaller blending brush. And you want to make sure to connect the corner with the top. This is like needed for this look. Well, it's because I want a cat eye look, so if you're not going for a cat eye look, you don't need to do that. Then I'm going back into my Luxie brush and I'm going to take the black and I'm going to focus it more towards my lower lash line or my waterline. And of course connect it out here. Now I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean and I'm going to go ahead and tightline around my eyes. So I'm going to put it in my lower waterline and the top as well. I don't suggest this to tightline on the top just because it's chunky and it's kind of hard, but it's all I have right now. But if you have a smaller one, like just like a regular liner like this, I didn't use this because this is dark brown and I wanted it black, but if you have a smaller liner like this, then use that instead. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna put some mascara on and then I'm gonna put on my false lashes. I'm gonna use the lashes, these are the style Elsie from the Makeup Shack. And I don't know what brand it is, but I know it's in a gold packaging. So I'm gonna put these on and then I will be right back so we can get started on the mouth. Okay, so let's get started on the mouth. Initially, I was gonna do a nude, but I think I'm gonna do a dark lip because I kind of want to make it look... Wait, sorry, I took these out of my hair because I was taking pictures for my Instagram. I had a nude lip on. So I want to kind of make it look like my mouth is dead. Is that the word? So I'm actually gonna go back into this palette and start to put some of the shades around my mouth. I don't want to go too dark, so I'm gonna start with yeah, I'm gonna start with this shade just to kind of like see how it looks. I'm just gonna mute my lips a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit darker this shade and kind of put it on the key points. So like the 4 points here. And then just to take it one step further, I'm gonna take this shade and just put like a little bit on those 4 points. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what the fuck? Yeah, me too. I'm so sorry. My camera card was full and it literally didn't even tell me that it stopped recording. This is a new camera. I don't know how to work it, so let me just explain what I did. I'm so freaking sorry. I can't even believe that I was recording this whole time, or that I was not recording this whole time. Okay, so basically what I did for my lips, I just added some maroon. It's this Wet n Wild lipstick. I just tapped it in. I didn't make it super like precise for a reason, but this is the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Cherry Bomb. I just tapped it over my lips. Then for the main part, guys, this is the easiest part, so it's kind of okay that it didn't record because the more intricate part is next. I'm so upset right now. I took my NYX Epic Ink Liner and I literally just drew these lines here, here. There's no right way. Just basically make the top ones longer than the bottom ones. I also messed up and I explained to y'all, which wasn't recording, I explained that it's okay if you mess up. You want the two middle to be like on your lips and then the two bigger ones to be like in the outside here. So that is the best way I can explain it. I can't even believe that this didn't record and I can't take all of this off and reshoot. I just can't. Put a little, this is the main part and I can't even believe it. It's okay. Y'all get it, right? Like tell me it's okay. Let me just show you. I feel like I have to show you. So I take my NYX Epic ink liner and I literally just drew this. Boom, boom. And then I just made it thicker. I made these points thicker here and try to come in smaller to make smaller points. Obviously, I didn't do the best job, but that's okay. Also, if you make mistakes and there's little lines, it's okay because then they look like spider hairs. So it's perfectly fine. It's super easy, I promise. I promise. And I'm upset right now. But let's move on. I need to go get a white liner. That's how I figured out I wasn't recording, because I went to stop it to get the white eyeliner and there was nothing to stop. Okay, so I actually don't have a white eyeliner. I thought that I did, but I guess I finished it. I didn't even know. So I'm gonna just take this white, well, it's not white, but this really light concealer. This is a ColourPop concealer, and I'm gonna take a little eyeliner brush and I'm gonna just draw in some accents. Hopefully this works. I know it's not gonna look super white, but we gotta improvise. So this is what I mean when I say these looks don't have to be perfect, just because like it really doesn't matter. I'm gonna go over some parts that I don't like. So I'm gonna take this flat brush right here and I'm gonna dip into the black in this palette, but I'm gonna dip into it very lightly. Hold on, I already messed up. Okay, so I messed up, so I just put some concealer and powder over it just to kind of take away the black. But I'm actually going to take an even smaller brush because that one was hard. This brush is an Equal Tools brush. This is the Detail Liner brush right here. So it's really small. Now I'm going to take the black and I'm going to create a line. Now that we've drawn in those little lines, I'm going to actually take some black eyeshadow and put them on my lips. So I'm taking the small blending brush by the Makeup Shack, the T81 brush, and I'm dipping into the black right here. And I'm literally placing it sporadically where the legs are. Now I'm just going to go back into my NYX Epic ink liner and kind of darken the legs. And yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. It's super easy. I know that I missed the main part of the look and I'm so sorry, but it's the easiest part, I promise. Yeah, I'm so upset about it, but that is it for today's video. Super simple look. This is like a last minute makeup look. You don't even have to do the smoky eye. You can just do however, but do the mouth like this and you're ready to go. Just wear all black. Super simple, super easy. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please like it down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked today's video. The rest of my videos have no mess ups, I promise. This is just like a one-time thing. I'm posting so many videos all month long, and then I also have a holiday series coming up, so it's gonna be a lot of fun around here, so please stick around. But yeah, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.